Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here watching. I want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much. And I want to thank anybody that's just come in to watch the knife, the EDC content, my struggle bus disassembly videos, my musings about various knives. I'm glad you're here. If you're so inclined and you haven't had a chance, if you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, it does really help me out. So today, I'm going to put some skiff bearings in my Divo nip because when my nip light came in, if I'm not mistaken, I cannibalized these. Uh-oh, there goes a cat. I apologize. I cannibalized these bearings, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy apart. Take the clip off. And we have one body screw. Really good deep hardware. Using my Get Good screwdriver with some Weehaw bits. And then this is a little mat that I picked up at CountyCom. They've got a bunch of different sizes in these glow mats. I thought it was pretty cool. It works well. Whoops, I apologize. Alright guys, so once we get into our nip, we will see that we do indeed have the stock bearings. They're not bad, but again, I'll try to show you guys the difference here. I think these are 1/16. Yep. 1/16 by 5. Yep. Alright, so I've got a set of bearings. So let's look at, put our cheat sheet away. I said those are available at Skiff Workshop. But what we have here is 12 ball skiffs. So when we compare these to our stock bearing, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balls here, 12 balls here. So you can tell there's a lot less surface area of ball contact here. Plus it's a stamp bearing, so one side it's not a true press through bearing. So I'm just a big fan of skiffs, especially for my a little bit more premium knives. I put them in just about everything because I like them and they're not that expensive, but you can check them out on your own. I'll put a link below. I do have a Javon 10 code that you can use to save 10% on your skiff purchase. So I'm going to get a little bit of original KPL. I'm going to put a little drizzle drop right there and right there. And then I am going to take and put a little bit on this bearing itself. And I'm going to rub this in my finger just to kind of get it good and lubed. Drop that down there. Boom. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol and this cleaning cloth, which is just basically a pew cleaning cloth. And I'm going to clean out, even though I just did this about a week ago, might as well clean out my blade. Alright, then I'm going to get some KPL Heavy. Put a little dab right here on the detent ball. Because you guys know me, I will overdo it on lube. Like I just did there. Alright, enough of that carnage. I love that the nip has an internal stop pin. Kudos for that. Right here. Put a little KPL original on my skiff. And these are 5mm 1/16 bearings. Boom, drop that down. Let's take our liner, pop it down, boom, just like that. Guys, if it goes together this easily, we have gotten very lucky. I'm going to stay positive and hope that we did. It'd be amazing if we keep this under 8 minutes. Alright, kind of tighten that up. Let's see if I can thread my clip. This is where it gets a little tricky. And we got to wiggle it just to get that screw lined up right with the hole, which I did. I'm just going to kind of tweak my body screw. Now I've probably got it too tight, perfectly centered. It's got some side to side, so let's tighten that up. No side to side. Now let's just break that in for a second. I think we've got what we need. I think we're there, guys. I've got no side to side, dead nut centered. No walk, nice action. I think we're good, guys. So that is the Divo nip. Same compatibility if you're looking at your nip light. You use the same bearings, because what I did is I did a video where I was cannibalizing this nip for my nip light. Now I've got it all the way I need it. I'm in good shape. Skiffed up, complete set, and we will go from there, guys. I appreciate you taking a chance on the content. Hopefully it was informative, gives you some confidence if you're taking your nip or other knife that's similar to this apart. It's really easy as long as you keep up with your parts. But guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. All I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts and choose to bait, not hate. I love you all. Peace.